In a segment flooded with options, one compact SUV refuses to blend in: the 2026 Audi Q3. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a clear message from Audi. Evolution never sleeps. With sharper lines, more intelligence, and dynamic performance, the Q3 is back to remind everyone what true premium feels like, wrapped in a size that fits your world. From the very first glance, the Q3 grabs attention. The new single-frame grille is wider and lower, flanked by ultra-slim matrix LED headlights that give it a piercing, futuristic stare. Its sculpted body lines flow with purpose, while redesigned 20-inch alloy wheels give it a more aggressive stance. The rear is just as commanding, with sleek OLED taillights that animate on cue, and a redefined bumper that looks like it belongs on a performance coupe. But it's when you step inside that the Q3 really starts talking. The cabin is where simplicity meets sophistication. A new curved 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit now merges into an 11.9-inch MMI touchscreen, both crisp, fast, and driver-focused. The materials feel premium because they are. Soft touch panels, brushed aluminum, ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. You sit slightly elevated, commanding your surroundings, but wrapped in comfort that rivals sedans costing far more. And it's smart. Very smart. Audi's AI voice assistant learns your preferences, while the latest Connect Plus system delivers real-time updates, over-the-air upgrades, and navigation that predicts traffic like a local. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even the ability to park itself using your smartphone, the Q3 feels less like a car and more like an intelligent companion. But make no mistake, this SUV still loves to be driven. Under the hood, the familiar yet refined 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder returns, pushing out 245 horsepower, and paired with Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive. The 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, giving the Q3 a 0 to 60 time of just over 6 seconds. It's smooth when you want it to be, and responsive when you need it to be. City streets, mountain roads, wet highways? This SUV doesn't just adapt, it excels. Audi hasn't cut corners on safety either. The 2026 Q3 and rear seats that fold to reveal over 48 cubic feet of cargo space. It's as capable of hauling gear as it is turning heads. You can load it, fold it, and still arrive looking flawless. The 2026 Audi Q3 isn't trying to be the biggest or the flashiest. It just wants to be the smartest, sharpest, and most complete SUV in its class. And in that, it might just succeed. For drivers who want a blend of tech, performance, and elegance in a size that actually works for daily life, this Q3 is quietly brilliant, and that might just be its greatest strength. So what do you think? Has Audi finally nailed the compact luxury SUV formula? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, give us a like, hit that subscribe button,